Hey everyone, Chef Brian from Monogram and the Monogram Experience Center. We have a great restaurant in Louisville called the Mayan Café, and the owner, Chef Bruce, is from the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. And he does a great lima bean dish. Luckily, he has shared it with us and we are going to recreate it today. So we're going to try to do it as well as he can. I doubt we will, but this is a great recipe. Give this one a try. Let's see how it's made. So we've got our pan hot. We're going to use two different types of oil to saute our lima beans. First, we're going to go in with just your standard sauteing oil, canola, corn, vegetable oil, whatever you want to do. We're going to add that in. Then we're going to go in with our sesame oil. And here's the important thing. You want that oil to lightly smoke. If you can see a little smoke there, that's good. Then we're going to go in with our lima beans. Be real careful. You want to make sure that they're fairly dry, because if they're wet, you'll flame up and you'll get a lot of splatter everywhere. We don't want that. We're using a frozen Ford Hook lima bean. It's the bigger ones. You could use fresh if you get them, but frozen for this works just fine. Now we're going to go in with our pumpkin seeds. We've toasted these and ground them. About a half a cup of pumpkin seeds. Got about 2 cups of lima beans. Again, we're just letting these get hot. Let them cook for about 15 or 20 seconds, and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now we're going to add our fresh herbs. This is fresh chopped parsley and green onion. Add those in. Let's go ahead and get some salt and pepper on there too. Good pinch of salt. Fresh ground pepper. And at this point, we're going to turn this off. And we're going to add our lime juice. Just as much or as little as you like. You can use lemon juice here too. Lime juice is what Bruce uses. He says you can use lemon, but he likes lime. If Bruce likes it, we're going to go with lime. So our heat is off. And then the last thing we're going to add is some extra virgin olive oil, about a tablespoon. Drizzle that over. And that's it. Give it a taste, adjust the seasoning. Maybe you want it a little more limey, add a little more juice, a little salt and pepper. It's up to you, but that's it. Chef Bruce's Mayan Café lima beans. Give them a try. This is a great recipe. You'll be surprised.